Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your Gmail in ClickUp. So once you're inside ClickUp, guys, all you really have to do is click your account on the upper right hand side. And from here, you want to click in settings. Now, under this section here, you want to look to the left hand side and you will find the option for email integration. You click on that and here you can find the sign into Google. So if you click on that, this will take you where you can quickly sign into your Google account. As you can see, I'm going to sign into my Google account. You want to go ahead and ensure that you select all right here, scroll down to the bottom and click and continue. And this is going to set up and sync in your Gmail or your Google account. As you can see here, I have it all set up. I just need to choose on the left hand side here myself, admin or whatever, right? I can just leave it as that and click and done. And that's pretty much really it, guys. As you can see, this is what I do. Keep in mind that to have, let's say, more advanced use, you can go ahead and upgrade if you want to have unlimited right here. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Pretty easy and pretty simple. Right here, you can set up even your signatures. As you can see, you can click and add signatures right here, and you can even have templates and so forth. But that's it. Very easy and very simple.